Welcome to Powerviz. Let's explore top 5 features of the Powerviz Sankey Chart, a dynamic flow diagram that brings your data journey to life. Whether you're tracking movement between categories, processes, or resources, this chart helps you visualize connections and proportions with stunning clarity. Let's explore its top 5 standout features. Easily toggle between vertical and horizontal layouts with a single click, giving you the flexibility to match your report design and data story. Add multiple levels to your Sankey chart, allowing you to visualize complex flows across several stages, perfect for process mapping and funnel analysis. Choose from 30+ color palettes or assign custom colors to individual nodes and links. Add pre-designed or custom fill patterns for even more distinction and clarity. Customize header and data labels for improved readability. Go a step further by adding images inside or outside the chart, making it more engaging and intuitive. Highlight key flows or detect outliers with built-in conditional formatting, based on value or category. With the Powerviz Sankey chart, you're not just connecting data points, you're telling powerful stories of movement, magnitude, and meaning. Try it today and visualize your data like never before. Download from Microsoft App Source or our website powerviz.ai today.